So I have, let's see, I split the back into I split it back into 4 sections, with that last row into 3 sections because it was kind of big in comparison to other braids. So how many I have? 4 back here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. 17 braids. I haven't done a braid out for I don't know how long, honestly. It's pretty bad. I have a fresh-ish retie. I feel like my reties are just not doing me justice, you know, especially when I wash it a couple of days later. I don't wash my hair while I'm retying because I don't want to like mess up my hair any further, you know, and I kind of want all my hair to be at the same like stage, you know. So it took me like a week to retie my hair, maybe 2 weeks to retie my hair because I was just being lazy. So I washed my hair a couple of days after I finished the whole entire retie, and you know, I had slippage on and stuff. So yeah, but I haven't done a braid out for a hot minute. My hair has been shrinking like crazy. My hair has been chilling like here-ish. It's not even really, I mean, it touches my shoulders kind of, but today it was just like not, it doesn't look like it was in the bob today, to be honest. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow morning when my hair is set. I'm about to go to sleep right now. Put my scarf on, if I can find it somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yeah, I'm gonna put my hair like in a low pony so that stuff don't get the braids don't get like all contorted and stuff and folded weird. But I'm gonna take a shower first and then go to sleep. So yeah, I'll come back in the morning when my hair is all dry. I did use this little mixture. It has aloe juice, mostly lavender oil, not mostly, but like for essential oils, mostly lavender oil, but I have like some olive oil in there as well. It's like as the carrier oil for the lavender oil, and it has a couple drops of peppermint and a couple drops of tea tree as well. All right, so I'll see you guys in the morning when I'm about to take my hair down and when I looked a little more zhuzhed up. All right, bye. Hey guys, so it's the next morning and I'm about to take down my braids. So yeah, I am going to take them down and then use this OGX coconut oil weightless hydrating oil mist, sorry, just for extra sheen and to give my hair a good smell as well.